Now it is up to Congress to...
I, Joseph Robinette Biden Jr., do solemnly swear that I will faithfully execute the office of President of the United States, will to the best of my ability preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the United States. So help me God.
Congratulations, Mr. President.
On July 5th, Andy Jassy will become the CEO of Amazon. Because it's a sentimental one for me, it's the date that Amazon was incorporated in 1994.
"17 months have passed since the U.S. economy faced the full force of the COVID-19 pandemic. This shock led to an immediate and unprecedented decline.
We know very little about the Omicron variant B11529. With this virus, there is a fine line between overreacting and being too carefree.
Thank you, Michael.
Well,
Call
now-
me the Doge Father.
Okay, Doge Father. So what are cryptocurrencies?
They're a type of digital money, but instead of being controlled by a central government, they're decentralized using blockchain technology. And lately, prices have been soaring for cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and especially Dogecoin.
Oh, right.
5, 3, 2, 1. Release.
Fire.
To all you kids down there, I was once a child with a dream, looking up to the stars. Now I'm an adult in a spaceship with lots of other wonderful adults looking down to our beautiful, beautiful Earth.
Shepherd has cleared the tower.
Stand by drogues.
That is why next week, I will send to Congress a bill that will make Bitcoin a legal tender in El Salvador.
To reflect who we are and what we hope to build, I am proud to announce that starting today, our company is now Meta.
After this, there is no turning back. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, you stay in Wonderland, and I show you how deep the rabbit hole goes.